Hi, I'm downtown El Paso, right in front of what used to be City Hall. And I say used to be because it's vacant right now. In the next couple of weeks or so, this will be demolished. It'll take exactly 8 seconds for this building to be completely imploded, making way for AAA baseball in downtown El Paso. Now I know that that issue was very controversial. Some of us wanted it, some of us didn't. It doesn't make any difference at this time. It's coming. Now it's up to people like you and I to make a decision. Are we going to support it or are we not? I say let's support it. If it has the capability of being one of the pieces of the puzzle that helps stimulate the downtown or continue the stimulation of downtown, then I say it benefits all of us, and let's do exactly that. Let's support it. Let's come to the games, come to the downtown area. Let's be part of the solution, and let's forget the fact that we may have been against it. It's coming, so let's take advantage of it. Welcome to downtown El Paso.